what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna build a police helicopter out of Legos, and I'm gonna start off with this piece, so I will see you when I am finished with the helicopter. Well, here, I'll time lapse. So here we go. Hey guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm still trying to find the white thing right here, and so I'll see you when I find it. So here's the update. So there's the helicopter, and I'm working on the blade, and then I have this thing, and yeah, here we go. Hey guys, I finished the helicopter, and it came with a bow, but I couldn't find one piece, but it's kind of gonna finish. And there's the character right there, and I'm going to, in the comments below, tell me if I should build this or if I should build this. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I will be making a whole Lego city. This is just my sister did. But yeah, so see ya.